So after a few days of watching people do the Grapevine on skates, I noticed that yes, one way is to stay on your toes, stay on your front wheels the whole time, but some people do it on toe and heel and alternating. So I'm thinking that I can keep working on the toe version in my own time once I get better at balance. But for now, I'm gonna work on the different version where I don't stay on my toes the whole time, and I think it might be a little bit simpler, at least in first learning the move. So here's how it goes. When you're traveling to the right, it starts with your left foot. So the pattern is heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe. And traveling to the right, it's gonna be left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Now I can't really do it yet, but I think this is the basic skeleton, okay? So we got left, right, left, right. Something kind of like that. And then going to the left, it'll be opposite. Starting with the right foot, it'll be heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe. So heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe. Whew. That was kind of easier for me going to the left, so I'm gonna try that side again. It is fall, which is beautiful, but leaves are everywhere and not good for skating over. So traveling to the left again, it's gonna be right heel, left heel, and then right toe, left toe. When you go on your heels, when I go on my heels, I'm turning it out. And when I go on my toes, I'm turning it in. Heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel, heel, toe. Note to self, bring a broom next time. I think the hardest part is the transition right here. So where you go heel, heel, toe, toe. The hardest part is the transition from this toe to this heel. So going from here to here. I'll try it to the right a couple more times. Ooh, to the right, my body does not want to go to the right. Heel, heel, toe, toe. And then heel again. Wow, I travel more in this move than I initially anticipated. Is that it? I don't know. Well, this is only my second video doing it, so of course there's plenty of room to grow. I think I'm gonna eventually have more success with this version of Grapevine rather than the one where I stay on my front wheel. So I'm gonna stick with this for the next couple of parts. Stay tuned for part 3, where hopefully I will have progressed a bit and I can give you some more tips on the Grapevine.